All right, dog and drone search out dragon. So there's a blanket for dragon, and I cut a strip off it. And now here's a place to get water, so we're gonna hang it here. I've already dragged this area once. There's a little stream here, so dragging it again today. Trying to positively identify something that's been running by my camera. So here I am, and this is the drag method. We're just dragging this little blanket. Here, look, somebody picked this piece up and put it up here. So our other searchers been out here, and no one's seen this pup. We're gonna move this strip down closer to the ground. That's up too high for the dog to put his face in it. Here in the sunshine, hanging it. It's down low to the ground so the dog can reach it. And we're dragging. All right, dog and drone searching in Danbury for marbles. Alrighty, peace out.